I think you can sort of see what's going on here. I'm going to put the pressure gauge in here, but I think we're going to do it last because they're plastic and they scratch really easy. So we'll put those in last. And of course it'll probably be impossible to get them in with the regulator in the way, but that's going to be the plan. So I'm going to back myself into a corner. The air compressor will come in here, full pressure. So we'll have up to 140 here. Regulator, 290s, another meter, so we can see that they're at 90. And another regulator. And then the last one will be low pressure, and you'll be able to dial that back so that we can inflate car tires. And then we're going to blank off the end here. That's the plan. But I don't know if it's going to work or not, but that's the plan. And we'll mount it through these holes. We're provided these little mounting holes. So we'll mount the manifold by these holes. I was planning to mount it by the regulator stems, but these holes will be much more rigid, and they'll all be in line because it's one great big manifold. So I hope this works. It's probably better to do this. But that was the plan. So I don't know. I don't know if it's too late to change that or not. That might be a worthwhile change, actually. Because then we're getting full line pressure. Yeah, we're dropping it down to 60. I have to get some 1/8 inch pipe. Well, shit, that might be a worthwhile change. Because then I can get full pressure in. Now I gotta think. Oh well. I'll think about it. I'll probably go that direction instead, if I can get the air in with the little 1/8 inch inlets, which you can, but I gotta figure out which side is which. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. We'll have to plumb this one, or at least figure out which one is a pass through. You know, it's marked in here, but there's another outlet for the gauge, so we can use that port that's meant for the gauge to connect the two together, but it's on a particular side, so I have to figure out which side that's on, because I don't know. This is the first time I've played with these. I don't normally do this stuff. It doesn't say which 1/8 inch port is the in, which would have been nice. But, you know, whatever. Okay. Well, that's 5 minutes of nonsense. That's plenty.